To draw a ramp for your house, design, or garage, select the Sketch tab and there click on the pencil tool and use it to define the slope. To ensure that this ramp is treated as an independent entity, double click on the shape and select Group Sketch Elements. Then, double click inside this group and assign the material of your choice to this particular triangle. Next, in order to extrude this shape, ensure that you're still within the group and use the Push-Pull tool and select inside the shape. Move your mouse in the desired direction and click on the point at which you want to end this particular extrusion.